I welcome you, Santuruji. I welcome you, Santuruji, in this wonderful session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. This is Suraj Kumar from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand, and I welcome you. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? Maybe I made one video with you maybe 6 or 8 months ago. Yeah, and this is Santanu in front of you. Yeah, I'm from West Bengal, and by profession I'm working person. I work in a hospital as an assistant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me.
Wow, wonderful try, and it was a wonderful introduction. So I really appreciate you that. Then I would like to know, sir, that nowadays the war is going on. Yeah. So the impact of the war, just we are facing like LPG and just gas problem and petrol diesel's prices are hiking day by day. So what is your opinion about it? Do you think that really this war is very bad for us and the effect of
Yes,
the
yes.
war is bad?
Yes, everywhere in this all over the world. Yeah, war is very bad in our society, in our country, and all the other country, and for the people, most of the people, and who are serving their life. Yeah, war is so bad. Yeah, and when I noticed that when uh, two countries they are wearing each other at that time, many people they are facing this kind of problem. Yeah, maybe LPG gas, maybe petrol diesel, the price of petrol diesel or petrol or gas, the increase day by day. That's why most of the people they had to face a lot of problem for surviving the daily life.
You are right, sir. Actually, this is the problem of every individuals because you can see that the prices when it hikes, the general people they have a lot of problem because daily items whatever today and tomorrow just we buy that we face the problem because we have to buy anyhow, whether shopkeepers they don't know that you have money or not money. Yeah, they need money, and the what is the current price it is going on, according to that you have to pay, and if you don't pay they will not give you. So really it is a challenge. And what do you think, sir? I think who will win in this war? I think America, otherwise Iran. Who is going to win according to your idea? What do you think about it?
Yes, and sir, repeat your question. Someone was calling me. Yeah, repeat your question again.
Who is going to win in this war? I think America and Israel both are fighting together and against Iran. Who is going to win this war? I think I would like to know about what is your, I think, opinion about this.
Yeah, last few days I did not take the any news about the wars, and maybe America is the strong country. Yeah, you know very well. I know very well, and Iran and Iraq right now also uh, they are also developing in their country very good. But what is happening last few days? I did not take the any news.
Okay, actually, war is never beneficial for anyone because in the war, many innocent people, they die. Yes, so I think
Yes,
we should raise the voice against the war, and the peace is the wonderful thing. And I can see that your background is the village background. So do you
yes.
live in a village? Do you live in a village?
Yeah, yeah, I belong to village area. Yeah, I belong to village area, and you can see right now I am on the field area. Everywhere you can see the registered field area, and everywhere the potato. But right now, uh, potato is harvesting.
Wow, wow. Really, I tell you, I miss my village a lot because village, the environment of the village, that is very peaceful environment. And I tell
Yes, you're
you,
right.
if you live in a city area, you have everything, all the facilities are available. But you see that in the cities people they run a lot, they I think they don't have peace, they just want more and more things, they want earn more and more money, and like this. But in the village side you see that mostly people they eat, sleep, enjoy their life. Yeah. So you tell me about your village. The people they are really in your village. They are very peaceful. Otherwise, they are still trying to just get the success. People say the success, earning money, and just all these things, name, fame, money, like this.
Yeah, if you are living in village area, yeah, and there is a good advantage and as well as also disadvantages. And if you are living in city area, there are few advantages and as well as also disadvantages. And I am living in village area, and in village area, most of the people who are living in village area, they are living very peaceful. There is no pollution. Yeah, there is no industry, there is no pollution, and the environment is very well. And always we get the fresh vegetables from our field area. And yeah, people are very kind person, they always help each other. And mm, most of the people are farmer who are hard working person. And in the morning time, around 6 a.m. they come to the field area, and after doing the hard work, they came back home around 1 p.m. And after taking the lunch and after taking few minutes rest, they come back again in the field area around 4:30 p.m. Yeah, but I noticed that who are farmer, they are hard working person. And if you are living in village area, you will get fresh air and fresh vegetables. But there is a problem. There is no good big hospital. There is no good big school. There is no industry. For getting a good job, always you have to go to the city area. I mean, Kolkata is the capital of our state. At that place, yeah, most of the people they have to go for collecting the job.
You are right, sir. Actually, every place you visit, it has pros and cons. Yes, whether
Yes,
it's city
yes,
area and the village area. If you want a peace, you should visit the city. You should visit the village. There is too much peace. But
yes,
if you want a job, you have to create the job. Then you have to go to the cities because in the cities there are many opportunities. Yeah,
yes,
in the cities you see that many, I think, big schools are there, hospitals are there, and park and museums, many things are there, big malls are there, big hotels. So you can go there and you can work. For working purpose, the city is the wonderful place. Yeah, you can say. But
yes, yes,
for the living purpose, I think village is the wonderful place. But
yes,
we are compelled to live in a city, and sometimes it happens. Suppose if you are not doing work from home, if you are not doing work from home, then you are compelled to live in a city, because every day I think you can't do up and down from city to village, village to city. It will be very costly, isn't it?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you are living in village area, city area, I noticed that who belong to city area, at that place there is a good industry. Yeah, and for taking a good job, you don't have to face a lot of problem. Yeah, very easily you can get a job. But if you are living in village area, that's why you have to face a lot of problem for getting a good job. But I noticed that who are living in village area, they are very active, they always help each other. Uh, but who are living in city area, they are very busy, they don't have time for their relatives, for their friends. I noticed that who belong to city area, if there are four members in their family, maybe three-person they are doing a job. Yeah, that's why don't have a time to their for their relatives.
You are right, sir. You are right. Actually, so I think in your point of view, what is it, village life or city life? Which is the best life for you? And what do you think about it?
Yeah, I belong to village area. I have been living here for a long time, and I have a lot of experience in village. But yeah, uh, 20 years ago, in my village, there was a picture, another picture, and right now there is another picture. But after that, I noticed that at that time that was good. Yeah, that was good. But right now, day by day, it is very bad. It is getting bad.
You are right, sir. I think you are right, and I tell you that the place today where I am living here, it is a city, semi urban area. It is city area,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
nowadays I am facing that the pollution, the level of the pollution, it is
Yes,
increasing day by day, and I think that after 5 years, it will be difficult to live here because of the
yes, you're right.
air pollution, water pollution. I think many, because it is an industrial area, and industrial area, industries are there, and the polluted air, they just live in the just a sky, and that the pollution is very bad, and all the vehicles, you see the vehicles, they pollute a lot. So I think
Yes,
so
yes,
it is very bad. So I think that village is the most uh, attractive place for the people. They just do the work from home. Yeah. Suppose you do the work from
yes.
home, and if you have the work job and just you can earn money from your village, then your life is wonderful. What do you think about it?
Yes, yes, you are right. Actually, if you are living in village area, I noticed that in the afternoon time, in the evening time, there are so many cars. They are going here and there, and there is sound pollution. But in the morning time, I get up early in the morning around 4:30 a.m. and every single day I go for morning walk. And at the morning time, yeah, the picture is different. There is no sound pollution. There is no pollution. There is no actually we get yes, yeah, in the morning time. That's why also I like get up early in the morning. And yeah, in the city area, there is so many pollution. There are so many industry over there. That's why in the city area, the carbon dioxide gas and carbon monoxide gas, this kind of gas are increased day by day. It is very harmful for our health.
You are right, sir. You are right. You are right. Actually, health is wealth. Health is wealth.
Yes,
Actually, we want money, education, facilities. Why? Because we want a good health. Our most, I think, what is the, I think, ultimate target? That good health, happiness,
yes,
happiness and good health. Suppose if you are not having a good health, how will you get the happiness? Suppose I have the problem in my lungs. Oh my God, I can't breathe. I can't breathe properly. Whether I have the big bungalow and I have one Ferrari, that big bungalow and that Ferrari, that is useless if I don't have good health. So we should think that
yes,
place, if the place is totally free from the pollution, and that is the peaceful place, and if you have plenty of money, you can survive your life is heaven. Yeah.
yes. Yeah, money is essential. Yeah, money is very important. Yeah, if you, I notice that in our society it is happening. If you have a lot of money, people say, "How are you?" And if you have a don't have lot, if you have a don't have a money, lot of money, people say, "How? Who are you?" Yeah, they don't care. And yeah, at the last, end of the last, I am telling you, but is money is essential, but not is money is all over. It is needed. It is not good. You with money you can buy a clock, but not time. With money you can buy a chair, but not comfort. With money you can buy a house, but not a home. Yeah, that's why I know very well. Yeah, with money you can buy a doctor, but not a health. Yeah, that's why I know. I know very well. Health is also is another part. Health is wealth.
I totally agree, sir. I totally agree that whatever you are saying, I know it. Money is very important, but money is not everything. You can help
Yeah,
with
yes,
money, but money can't give you the immortality. Immortality means amratva. आप अमर नहीं हो सकते. Money can't give you
yes,
the peace. It can't give you the peace, but it can give you the pleasure, not happiness. Happiness comes within you, but pleasure only when you eat something, when just you roam here and there, you just buy something. That is little pleasure, that is called. But after getting that, when you think
yes,
about when you bought your new cell phone, oh my God, I am very happy. I have bought one cell phone, new cell phone. But I tell you, after sometimes, no, I because that was the pleasure, not happiness. Happiness comes within you. Oh my God, my life is wonderful, purposeful life. I am living my life that is fully. That is called, I think, real life. And so I think
yes, yes,
we should know about it, that what is the happy life and what is the only pleasureful life. And most of the people, they don't know what is the pleasure and what is the happiness. So we should be happy, not the pleasure.
yes,
So, sir, it was a wonderful conversation. Really, you gave me this opportunity to talk to you, and you talked with me. And really, I feel fantastic after talking to you after a long time. So, you must
yes,
send the link. Yes, and you can upload this video on YouTube.
yes. All right, sir. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Yeah, after connecting with you, I have learned so many things. It was a nice conversation with you. I have learned so many things. All right, sir. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, please.
Thank you.